How to send unlimited emails without email list with this email marketing tool for free. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, let's talk about how you can send emails or do email marketing without email list. So if you're a small business owner or you just started doing online business and you don't have any email list yet to do email marketing, then no worries because this video is for you. Email marketing are one of the most effective marketing strategy online for you to reach out with your customers and build relationship. And if you just started doing business, it's not easy for you to get an email list in a short period of time and without spending money. But today with this software Hercules, I will show you how you can easily send unlimited emails without email list for your email marketing, and it's for free. So if you haven't heard about Hercules, Hercules is an exchange platform from which you can advertise your website to 1,000 cost-free targeted audiences. It consists of a simple database of people who give other members permission to email them several offers. That means that you can email other members and they can also email you back. So to start with, visit Hercules.com, and this is the Hercules homepage. And from here, as you can see from their main page, they already telling us that you can advertise for 1,000 people daily for free, which is really enticing. And if you're doubting if the software is legit or not, I tell you this software is legit, and there are a lot of users here as well who are earning thousands of dollars by doing ads and email marketing here. So before we get started, let's first check this website and why you choose this software. So here, as you can see, this software trusted by many for almost 20 years in the industry. Hercules has been a trusted internet marketing source for thousands of marketers worldwide. Embed 100% safe opt-in list. Send your ad to opportunity seekers in email and web format. And this software helps you to get real people and real traffic. And many free advertising tools to choose from to help build your business. And also you can earn from their affiliate marketing. Affiliate program paying up to 50% commissions in this software. And you can get paid within 24 hours. And grow your network around the world, of course. So to get started, just click here on Get Started to create an account. Then just wait for you to be redirected to sign up page. It may take a few minutes. And here you can sign up by providing your name. Where did you hear about Hercules? Create your username and create your own password. And after that, you need to also provide your email. So just fill out this form, and once you fill out, click on create an account. So let me just fill out this very quickly. And after that, you can check your spam messages for the Hercules confirmation email. And then just confirm your email and then choose a Hercules membership options here. So they have three different plans here, the free plan, gold, and pro. So for the free plan, it includes the daily plain text web ads submitted to 1,000 members, 500 character blurbs, one monster blurb, earn 25% commissions on all referral membership payments, 20-second surf timers, 2:1 surf ratio, and then $5 sign up bonus. And in your gold plan, you can also get daily HTML or plain text email or web ads submitted to 245,198 members, 1,000 character blurbs, 10 monster blurb, and also you can earn 50% commissions on all referral membership payments and more features. And also for the Pro plan, it also includes more advanced feature here. And down here, you can also see the different promotion that they offer when you upgrade your plan today. So I will just go ahead and skip the gold and the Pro plan. Let me go ahead and continue with the free plan for this video. And let's just wait for the next page. And here's your home dashboard. And here, before we start creating or sending emails, let's first confirm the Hercules confirmation email that was sent to our email. Let me check my Gmail spam messages to confirm my email. And I have it here. Let me confirm it. And after that, we can now start using this software for our email marketing. So just click here to get started and then just read the rules in sending email or submitting an ads. And here you have two options, the regular mailer and the credit mailer. So for regular mailer, you can use this mailer for your daily membership mailings. And for credit is to use credit mailer to submit additional ads with credits earned. And you can earn credits by clicking on other members' email ads. So let me just choose the regular mailer since I don't have any credit yet here. So here you can start by providing the subject line of your email. So make sure you have a good subject line for you to start getting audience here. Most effective one is giving coupon or discount, for example. Let me name the subject line here, get $50 Amazon gift card, for example. This can be a clickbait subject line, but that's how you can play the game of marketing. Then next is to enter your website URL. So let me just enter my sample URL here from the Wix website. Then just type the ad body. You can enter a message here like the requirements or the actions that the reader must do for them to qualify in getting the $50 Amazon gift card. Like, for example, I will ask them to visit my website and process first order, and they will get the rewards. Something like that will do, but it will depends on you guys if what message you want to enter here. And after you complete this form, just click on submit to submit your email ads. Then you'll be redirected to this Prime ad page. So let me just go back to the home dashboard of my Hercules. So from here, you can see different ads that you can check from other members as well. So the ads that you submitted as an email will be sent to the Hercules members. So that's how you can use this Hercules for free for your email marketing if you don't have an email list. But it's better that you start creating your own landing page to collect email list. There are a lot of free software that you can use, like ConvertKit.com and Wix.com, for example. Because here in Hercules, your email will be sent, but it will be added under the spam messages of other people email. And that cannot be good, especially for someone who are knowledgeable about emails and online business. And they know that if it's going to be a spam message, they should ignore it because that message cannot be trusted. So maybe this software works to other people, but for me personally, it's better not to depend on this software for your email marketing because not all members here are your target audience for your business. So it's still better that you invest in getting email lists through creating highly converting landing pages and targeting people who are really your target audience. This can be the best actions or marketing strategy that you can do if you want to grow your business and if you want your business to stay for a long time. So I guess that's all for today's video. And if you have any question, guys, just comment down below and thank you for watching.